Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. We are planning to start our basic level coaches, international Karlakattai coach, international Meipadam coach. Course is two different courses, but we start together. So that will be started on 16th of August. People who are interested, people who are trained already with the practice with my students. So you can able to join and ask your coaches will be you are ready. And if you are ready, the coaches will be definitely introduce you, and then you can join the courses. Or if you are independently or practice already or yoga teacher, I am really interested to learn want to be a coach, call directly to the Gurukulam. And then the second thing, already people who study the coaches, already they are teaching they are teaching more than years or 2 years. It's another opportunity for them to learning the senior coach courses. So we are starting a senior coach classes on 15th of July. So both courses we started in international senior coach of Karlakattai, senior coach of Meipadam. Okay, so the both course will be started on 15th of July. Morning Meipadam and evening Karlakattai. Before the coach training, you learn through the body. Now you learn through the mind to the body. Before it's the body to the mind. So this is a little bit intellectual than what you learned in the coach training. So people who already finished the coach, then you can join as a senior coach courses. So until now, there is a lot of students who studied of the coaches and senior coaches. They're not beyond the senior coaches. Nobody will be complete at the instructor level. Even the senior coaches are very few people, only 3 or 4 people only is senior coaches. Also they are disciplined senior coaches is very less. So under the discipline, there is in traditional art, there is a lot of discipline must be followed. If your discipline is not followed, you will be disappear in the Gurukulam platform. Because in Gurukulam means the obedience and the obeying the Guru. The obeying is not there, the student will be disappear. Even their ideology is different, that doesn't matter. The ideology is different. I am better than you, better than Guru, they think. It doesn't matter about the money, about the economy. We don't talk about the economic side. We talk about the developing the art side. So there's only way you can stay in the Gurukulam platform. You have to learn under Gurukulam with a lot of discipline and obedience and loyalty. If you miss anything, I am a modern society, I lose it, I don't have the loyalty, I don't have the respect, I don't have the discipline, I don't obey anyone, then it's not an art you can learn. You can learn as a fitness. We call it as a fitness things. Fitness doesn't keep your mind and the body separate. You can learn for only the body. The mind is full of ego. You never learn anything from beyond the body. So you want to learn beyond the body, and the mind also you want to process your mind. So you learn through the mind and learn through the body. So the basic courses is the body to the mind, and then senior coach is a mind to the body. So this is a course we started in soon. People are interested, we are putting under the contact, you can call us. You can join with us and you can be one of the Gurukulam coach, and then we will train all together and we can make this art to grow all over the world to make everyone is fit. Thank you.